Hi, Sir Jeremy. Good evening. Sir, I just want to know po, paano niyo po nalaman or nakilala si Ideal Visa? Or how did you come up with the decision po to pursue dairy farming in New Zealand?
Nakita ko yung IVC, Ideal Visa Consultancy Laguna, sa Facebook. So, while scrolling sa newsfeed, nakita ko na may nangangailangan sila ng dairy farm worker in New Zealand. So, nag-sign up ako dun sa link doon na free, and dumiretso na agad doon sa one-on-one consultancy na ini-discuss niya lahat kung ano yung program nila, ano yung mga kailangan. And ayun, napakaganda ng nila ng program. Actually talaga sa processing hindi ako nahirapan kasi yung mga requirements lang is napakadali lang ang kunin.
Actually, ang bilis din ng proseso from admissions to visa lodgement kanan. And then we also very happy sa naging result kasi worth the wait siya.
Napaka-thankful ako kasi nandiyan kayo nandiyan ang Ideal Visa na nag-guide palagi from time to time sa pag-process ng aking documents until makuha ko yung aking student visa. Sa Ideal Visa, sigurado makakamit mo yung dream mo talaga sa New Zealand under dairy farming industry. So, sa mga natatakot talaga, wag kayong mabahala kasi kung alam nyo na or nafe-feel nyo talaga yung pangarap nyo is doon talaga sa dairy farming is mag-decide na kayo na go agad kasi hindi basta-basta na mapakawalan yung mga opportunity na ganito. So, I'm very thankful talaga sa IBLBC kasi nandyan sila na mag-guide sa inyo from the start until the end na makuha nyo yung visa ninyo. Hanggang sa makarating kayo sa New Zealand, nandyan sila. Or kahit na nandun kayo, nandyan pa rin sila na nakangamusta sa inyo.
Last question na lang, sir. I would like to know po, do you have any plans once you have arrived in New Zealand?
Yes, ma'am. Napakadaming plano talaga. Kasi I'm excited to go in New Zealand na. Pinaka-plano ko talaga or main goal ko dun is to get my residency in New Zealand.
Actually, Ideal Visa, isa lang, kami ay naging instrumento lang, okay? Para tulungan na matupad yung mga pangarap mo doon sa New Zealand, okay? And of course, para mag-gain mo yung mga opportunities or para mag-grab mo yung mga opportunities na meron kay New Zealand, we will also continue praying for your training, okay? As well as with your graduation, up until the graduation, and if ever na meron ka ng mga career opportunities, don't hesitate to grab it. Sir Jeremy, thank you so much for your time and for trusting Ideal Visa. So again, Ideal Visa is always here for you no matter what happens, okay? We will not stop making dreams happen, not only with our ongoing clients, but as well as with all of the Filipinos who wanted to explore career opportunities abroad. All right? Thank you so
Yes,
much,
ma'am.
and bon voyage, Mr. Jeremy.